The pace of testing must be sustained as it is a very crucial weapon to track and contain rising infections in any region, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said while reviewing the COVID-19 situation in the country amid rising cases due to Delta Plus variant and increasing pace of vaccination. Continuing to entrust the party leadership in the hands of the powerful Reddy community in Telangana since the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh, Congress on Saturday appointed Lok Sabha MP R. Revanth Reddy as the new president of Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee. Former US President Donald Trump on Saturday reprised his baseless election grievance and painted a dystopian pictures of the country under Democratic control in his first campaign-style rally since leaving the White House. AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria, who heads the 5-member Oxygen Audit Committee appointed by the Supreme Court, said on Saturday that it would be wrong to generate and say that Delhi exaggerated its oxygen demand for 4 times. Two low-intensity explosions rocked the high-security technical area of Jammu Air Force Station in the early hours of Sunday. Of the money collected from bars and restaurants by dismissed cop Sachin Waze, rupees 4.7 crore was transferred to former State Home Minister Anil Deshmukh's Nagpur-based educational trust by his son, routing it through 2 Hawala operators and showing it as donation. Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and BJP Chief JP Nadda held a meeting with senior party functionaries and several union ministers as part of the preparations for assembly polls in 5 states to be held early next year. When Home Guard Bor Singh Bay seized a consignment of drugs with worth rupees 12 crore by turning down a huge bribe amount in Assam's Karbi Anglong recently, little did he know that his honesty would pay rich dividends and fulfill his dream of becoming a policeman. The Chief Justice of India N.V. Raman on Saturday expressed concern over poor connectivity in rural, tribal, remote and hilly areas, which is adversely impacting justice delivering system in the virtual court proceeding in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. The professional collaborations between Ritesh Deshmukh and Aftab Shivdasani resulted in a friendship that has lasted over many years, and the bond between them could be understood from the post that the former wrote. On Aftab's birthday, Ritesh took to social media to share pictures of the fun times that they had shared along with a message.